Yo, you guys, it's Badger here, and today we got this iFLOOR 5 Breeze series from Tineco, and it is a cordless floor washer, and I'm pretty excited. It's a freaking big package, and I will try to show the whole thing and what's in here, and explain how that works. Don't mind me if I might do something wrong, because it's a blind on packaging. I didn't really look at it at all yet, so throw the manual to the side. We got this plate here, we'll figure out what that's for. Probably to put it on when we don't use it. Then there's some head pieces and extra goodies to replace stuff when they get broken. So throw that all to the side, not too exciting. And down there is the main star of this package. But first, some cleaning solution. Nice. There's more to it. And let's grab that thing. Hopefully we can get it out. It's with one hand here, two hands. It's quite heavy. Oof. Okay, come on. Okay, here we go. So this is the washer. Then there's a headpiece or a stick that will goes on top, so we can handle and move it easily. There's some cables. Throw the box to the side and put this down here so we can unpackage that thing and have a look. I'm gonna rip that bulb in, it goes the fastest way that way. And let's remove it all the way. There we go. And then let's go. Put it right over here, remove this as well, and that's what it looks like. So you can already tell it's made quite well. Then there's a filter here, there is the tank. So that's exciting, made really well. Let's put that back in there. And let's see on the side, you can see there's a decent reel here. On top there's a hole, you can tilt the whole thing. Then down here you see where the whole washing is gonna take place. Nice soft fabric. Okay, remove this as well. Okay, there's a component here as well. Oh, probably for cleaning, obviously. Yeah, makes sense. Put that back on there. Okay, now let's see what we have in the back. Here, that's probably where our headpiece goes. Then we have the water tank. We have to use that as well. Throw that back on here. And then our holder that goes in the top. It should just slide right in. Maybe not. Why am I doing it wrong? There's a little nozzle here. It's not working too well. Okay, I might be doing something wrong. Maybe the other way around. Oh yeah, that's way easier that way. Okay, so yeah, that's what that looks like. And then up here you got the button to send out the water or not. And then here's a vacuum and power button as well. It lights up blue as we see here. And it shows us that it is indeed turned on and ready. Then let's put that back down here. And I don't, what's still not going? Oh, okay, I think I remember. You have to like turn it or tilt it a little. Let's try that. So I'm stepping on here and then I tilt it slightly, and as you see it's going now. It's lighting up and it is rotating and all. And then you're just gonna clean up. That goes pretty well. And as you see, it keeps rotating while it's tilted, and it's picking up everything that's in the way. And that's gonna be it for today's video, guys.